Hi everyone, welcome to LOS VRcast. Here we learn how to use latest technology in training and development. I'm Martin. I'm the founder of LOS Language Online Services, and as you see, I'm not alone. I've got two of my colleagues standing right next to me. Misha, Eva, welcome to the show.
Hello.
Hi. Hello.
Today we will introduce ourselves shortly, and then we'll go on to talk about our next show. So first things first, Eva, let's go over to your bio. We can start with you. Can you say a few words about yourself?
Yes, of course. So wait, let me move.
Sure.
So my name is Eva, and I've been English teacher for almost 20 years. After graduating university, I spent about 9 years in England, working as a ESOL teacher at a college. ESOL, it's teaching English of speakers of other languages, which means that these students were from all over the world, coming from different cultural backgrounds and religious backgrounds. Even my two kids were born here, so
In England, you mean? Yeah.
Decided, in England, yes, definitely. So we moved to Norway. We wanted to experience something new, and I continued my career as an English teacher. This time it was in international school. I became a teacher of kids, and I came across kids which we call third culture children or kids, who are, we can say, kids similar to mine or exactly the same as mine, kids who are raised in a different culture than their parents, and they have different language, different environments, so they're influenced by many factors.
That's interesting. So your husband and you are from Slovakia, and your children were born in England, and then they lived there for 9 years before they moved to Norway.
Yes.
Wow.
So
and now you're
many different
back.
cultures,
You're back in Slovakia right now. Okay. Wow. What a great experience you had in the past 11 years or so. You and I met in 2013, I think, right? You and I started working together, 9 years ago. Okay, cool. Now let's go over to Misha. Here's your bio, Misha. So, yeah, tell us a little bit about yourself, please.
Okay, hello, my name is Misha. I come from Prague, the Czech Republic. I have been teaching languages German, English, and Czech for foreigners since 1996. We met in also, I would say we've got the same year as Eva, 2013.
Correct. In 2013.
So when I started teaching online, let's say the usual Skype or WebEx teaching. But my main experience, I would here mention, is teaching English in England, thanks to my certificate CELTA, which is a certificate given, let's say, by Cambridge, and which allows you to teach English to adults as well as to teenagers. And I've been doing it since 2012 as well, regularly going to England to teach there. Kids mainly from all over the world. Cool. France, Italy, Spain, Russia also we had kids, or from China, Turkmenistan. So this kind of experience was really, let's say, or is still useful and really valuable.
All right. Thanks, Misha.
Yeah.
Tell me about your VR lessons. I know you started experimenting with this in
January,
the
let's say, of this year.
Last year. Yeah.
January 22. Exactly, started with teaching English in VR and also with Czech, and that's just a really great experience.
We're going to talk about this in our next show. We'd like to invite viewers and listeners to check one of your classrooms. So, listeners, viewers, hang in there. Quickly, I'm Martin. I am the founder of and CEO at LOS Language Online Services, and we provide language training to young adults and working professionals from all over the world. In our courses, we usually combine 3 elements, and these are language skills, cross-cultural experience, and professional expertise. If you want to learn more about us, our team, and how we do things, please visit our website, LOS Language Online Services. If you wonder what my avatar looks like, I'm going to get you a mirror, and you can actually check what I look like. Everybody, give our viewers and listeners a wave. We should probably take a photo. So let me grab a selfie stick.
Take a photo.
Yes, exactly. So Misha, Eva, you're in. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. 1,
raise your hands.
2, 3. Let's see what we look like.
Okay.
Sometimes these... Well, it's not that bad. I'm going to share this one with everybody in the room. It could be worse. Sometimes, these selfies, it's like a bunch of zombies, so this technology isn't perfect yet. You guys, thanks for coming today. We'll be back with a new show pretty soon. We're going to talk about Misha's lessons in VR.
Can't wait.
Yeah. See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.